journey, you and me, through forests green and skies so free. With wonder and joy, let's explore and see the beauty of the world, so wild and carefree. In fields of flowers we'll dance and play, underneath the sun's warm and golden ray. With butterflies as our friends, we'll skip and hop, and climb trees high, never wanting to stop. Through meadows wide and valleys deep, we'll tiptoe quietly, so the animals can sleep. We'll whisper to the birds in the trees and listen to their songs carried on the breeze. In the heart of the forest where shadows fall, we'll search for fairies both big and small. With lanterns bright and hearts so brave, we'll explore every corner like knights so suave. We'll follow the stream as it babbles along and build little boats, sing a merry song through tunnels of green and caves so dark. We'll hold hands tight, making our mark. With every step, a new world appears, filled with laughter and sometimes with tears. But together we'll journey